Hey, what's up everybody? It's Bake Monkey. Today we're gonna make America's favorite cookie, the delicious Oreo. We're gonna start with our simple ingredients, some sugar, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda, and get that all kind of mixed around with some flour. Alright, feeling good so far. Alright, once that's all mixed around, you're going to add a couple tablespoons of some delicious vegetable shortening here. Once it's mixed into a nice kind of clumpy consistency, you're going to add a teaspoon of water and then mix that in generously. Once it all kind of comes together, you're going to chill it in the fridge for about 20 or 30 minutes, and then when you pull it out, add another teaspoon of water and mix it around with your hands, and then you can start forming your little Oreo cookie balls here. Use your finger to flatten out the balls a little bit, and once you get them all circular and beautiful, you're gonna take your fork and dock the cookies, and then do your little crinkly design on the edges like an Oreo. Bake those little mamas for about 25 minutes in 300 degrees, and they're gonna come out looking quite scrumptious, if I do say so myself. And on to the cream filling we go. Now this is the differentiating factor between my homemade Oreos and everybody else's. I think this is kind of what sets it apart and makes it taste the most like a homemade Oreo. It's simple ingredients, but the way they're prepared makes all the difference. You're going to take your powdered sugar, your regular sugar, and your tiny little pinch of salt, and you're going to boil that with some water on the stove top. You're going to see it's going to become kind of a thicker, syrupy consistency. Once it's about the consistency of syrup, you're going to pull that off the heat and add it directly to your heat-safe bowl containing the vegetable shortening. Mix that vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes, just depending on how strong you are. I go to the gym and I do Pilates, and I keep my forearms in pretty good shape, so it takes me about 3 minutes, but see how long it takes you. Once your cream is to a nice smooth consistency and you let it rest for about 20 or 30 minutes, you can start putting it on your cooled down cookies, and this is where it starts looking a little bit more like an Oreo instead of just some chocolate cookies and white goo all over the place. This cream filling really is outstanding. Give it a try whether you want to make Oreos or not. But you know, the sweetness of this cream filling balanced with the bitterness of the chocolate cookie makes for an outstanding, indulgent delight. Look at that little cutie break apart just like the real deal Holyfield. Hey, be awesome and click subscribe.